welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are quickly introducing our brand new paper collection, Fruit Salad. This paper comes in both a 12 by 12 size and a 6 by 6 size, so let's go ahead and check it out. Our 12 by 12 paper comes both in collection packs like this, where there are 2 of each of the papers in there for a total of 12 papers. You can also get a pack of just one design, and you'll get 12 of that one design in a pack. And this is great if you're mass producing cards or creating invitations or things like that, and you need a lot of one design. So let's take a look at all of the papers in the fruit salad collection. First up, we have our one in a melon paper, which has those super cute watermelons and then this really great pinky red gingham on the back. Our next paper is called Orange You Glad with those super cute oranges. I love them so much. And then on the back, we have that same gingham in an orange design. The next on our little rainbowy fruit salad is our Squeeze the Day paper with those super cute lemons. I love them so much. And as you flip the paper over, we have that really great yellow gingham on the back. Our next paper is Perfect Pear, which of course has really adorable pears on it. All of the papers also have these tiny little flowers scattered about that are so pretty. And then of course on the back we have this really great green gingham, and I can't wait to use this for grasses on all of my cards. Our next paper is Berry Cute, which has all of these adorable blueberries. It is so cute. I didn't know I needed blueberry paper in my life until I saw this paper. And then on the back, you have this really great blue gingham that is just absolutely gorgeous. Our last paper is called So Appealing, and it's got all of these adorable bananas. I love that some of the bananas are peeled as well. And on the back, there's this really great kind of neutrally colored gingham that I have been using in the background of so many cards. It's just so gorgeous. Now we're going to take a look at all of the papers together, and I just love looking at this rainbow of beautiful fruits and ginghams. It's so gorgeous. Those ginghams are so cute on summery cards, and I can't wait to use them on fall cards too. And then those fruits just make me smile. I love that the fruits are all different. They're all in different positions, or they have little bites taken out of them, or they're little slices. There's so many fun little variations, and I love that we have the little flowers scattered throughout too. It just makes it so sweet and beautiful. And I love these 12 by 12 designs, but I also love the 6 by 6 size. So in the 6 by 6 paper, we have 3 of each design for a total of 36 pages. So there's a ton of papers, so you don't need to hoard your designs because you've got 3 of each of them. And here you can see all of those beautiful designs. We've reduced them by about 50% so that they're a nice smaller print, which is really nice for cards or smaller things. I really like to mix and match the 2 sizes depending on my project, so I've been really going back and forth between them. Here you can see all of those beautiful papers, the blueberries. I mean, it's just so cute. And then I love these ginghams. I love the kind of hand-drawn, whimsical feel of them. They're just beautiful. And here, as we get to the end of the papers, you'll see that they repeat, and they're going to repeat 2 times, so a total of 3 papers of each. And I wanted to show you a comparison between the 6 by 6 and 12 by 12 scales. So here's the 6 by 6, and now we'll bring in the 12 by 12 paper. So you can see really the difference in the kind of scale of them and what different projects you could use them on. And then next up, we're going to look at a comparison between the gingham papers. And once again, I like using both of these. It just kind of depends on what look I'm going for on my project or how big or small it's going to be. Now we're going to take a look at the brand new washi tape for summer. We have 3 new washi tapes. We have Fruit Salad, Ocean Friends, and Just Plain Awesome, which has a really beautiful foiled texture. The designs on these are so super cute, so let's go ahead and check them out. The first one we have here is our Fruit Salad washi tape, which is a really fun mix with the new fruit salad paper and also all of the fun fruit-themed products that we have in this release. And how adorable are these fruits? They have cute little different smiley faces on each one of them. I love the little pear with glasses. I mean, it's just so super cute and sweet. And I love using these as decoration on my cards, and I love sealing my envelopes with the washi tape. It just makes it feel so special. The next one might be my favorite washi tape ever, and this is our Ocean Friends washi tape. And how cute is this? This was inspired by our Simply Celebrate More Critters stamp set, and these little Ocean Friends are so sweet. The pattern keeps going on, so they all have different little faces and different colors, which makes it feel really, really special. And look how fun that is. I love the little gradient ocean and the bubbles in the background too. This is our Just Plain Awesome foiled washi tape, and this was inspired by our May release and our Just Plain Awesome stamp set. I love these paper airplanes. I think this is so super cute for mailing someone a card because it kind of feels like you're throwing a little paper airplane at them, and that silver foil on it is just stunning. It is so pretty, and it makes it feel so special when you put it on a card. I'm just so in love with this new collection of paper and these new washi tapes. So let's go ahead and check out some incredible projects by the design team. And first up, this layout by Melissa is just beautiful. I love how she added all the different squares of paper to create almost like a little paper quilt. Her stitching is gorgeous, and I love that some of them feature some of the new fruit die cuts and some adorable photos too. Elise used the hexagon shaker tag die to cut these cute hexagon shapes and create a fun quilted background for her card. I love how she has her sweet sentiment over top. This platform pop-up with the lemonade stand by Tammy blew me away when I saw it. It's so cute, and the fruit salad paper makes the perfect base for these adorable little lemonade mice. I just adore how Lynette added the washi tape onto her card. It looks so cute, especially with those tags on the card too. And then here, Grace used the paper with some vellum over top to soften it to make the perfect background for her cocktail card. This card by Audrey is so pretty. I love the die-cut lemons over top of that adorable lemon paper. And then here, I love that Callie used the gingham to create almost like a tablecloth for her super cute drinks. Here, Callie was also inspired by that watermelon paper to create a super cute watermelon-themed card that is just perfect for summer. And here I love the gingham as a frame for this super cute scene by Elena. And I love how Callie created a fun background with that awesome new Cheery Cherries die, and that red gingham in the background is just so cool. And then here we have the really cute blueberry paper in the background of this fun die-cut card by Letitia. And Letitia was inspired to make another die-cut card using a bunch of the different ginghams together that is so pretty. So we cannot wait to see what you guys create with this new paper and new washi tape, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and we hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!